Okay, write three equivalent fractions for the fraction. So 3/4, 3/4. Now you're going to write that two more times so you have three of them. Okay, so just put it down. Now you're going to put times. This is really easy to do. Pick a number between 1 and 10, but not 1. Okay, any number between 1 and 10, not 1. I'll go 2. Okay, and here I'll go dot dot, then pick a number between 1 and 10. Let's go 3. Okay, pick a number between 1 and 10. Let's go 5. So you make three new fraction lines. So 3 times 2 is 6, 4 times 2 is 8. Use a calculator if you need to. There's your first one. 3 times 3 is 9, 4 times 3 is 12. And then 3 times 5 is 15, 4 times 5 is 12. Okay, so that's three equivalent fractions to 3/4. Equivalent means it's the same thing. Okay, here's why it's the same. Okay, now divide 3 by 4 on your calculator. 0.75. Now divide 6 by 8 on your calculator. Same thing. Divide 9 by 12 on your calculator. Same thing. Divide 15 by 20 on your calculator. Same thing. Okay, so that's why they're equivalent. 1/2. Okay, pick a number. Let's just do the same thing. Let's go 2, 2 here. Times. Let's go 3 and 3 here. Let's go 5 and 5 here. You can do it with any number. 1 times 2 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 1 times 3 is 3. 2 times 3 is 6. 1 times 5 is 5. 2 times 5 is 10. Okay. So divide 1 by 2. 1 divided by 2, 0.5. Now divide 2 by 4, 0.5. 3, 0.5. 5 divided by 10, 0.5. So they're all equal. They're all the same thing. Okay, 5/8. So make two other ones. So let's go 2, 2. We'll just stick with 2, 3, and 5. It can be any number. You can multiply by 12 if you want to. Okay. So 5 times 2 is 10. 8 times 2 is 16. 5 times 3 is 15. 8 times 3 is 24. 5 times 5 is 25. And then 8, if you don't know, multiply on your calculator. 8 times 5, 40. Okay, now take 5 divided by 8, 0.625. Now take 10 divided by 16, same thing. You don't have to write down what you're getting, just it's got to be the same thing. Okay, 2/7. So times these by 2, we'll go 3 on here, and we'll go 5 on here. So 2 times 2 is 4, 7 times 2 is 14. 2 times 3 is 6, 7 times 3 is 21. 2 times 5 is 10, 7 times 5 is 35. Okay, so take 2 divided by 7. You get that, that's okay. 4 divided by 14, same thing. Same thing. Same thing, so I know they're all equivalent, equal. Okay, 3/8. So I'm going to times 2 times 2. So it's going to be 6, and that's going to be 16. Times 3 times 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 8 times 3 is 24. And times 5 times 5. So it's going to be 15. That's 40. So I'm going to divide 3 by 8. 0.375. I got the same thing, okay? 4/5. Okay, so 4 and 5, okay. Let's go times 2 times 2. 4 times 2 is 8, 5 times 2 is 10. Let's go 3. 4 times 3 is 12, 5 times 3 is 15. Then let's go 5. 4 times 5 is 20, 5 times 5 is 25. Now let's divide 4 by 5, 0.8, 0.8, 0.8, 0.8, same thing. Okay, 9/10. Okay. Okay, so it's times 2 times 2, that's 18, 20. Times 3 times 3, 9 times 3 is 27, 10 times 3 is 30. We'll go 5 here. 9 times 5 is 45, 10 times 5 is 50. So 9 divided by 10, 0.9. 18 divided by 20, same thing. 27 divided by 30, same thing. 45 divided by 50, same thing. So they all end up equal as long as you're multiplying by the same thing. Okay, 3/11. So times 2 times 2, so 3 times 2 is 6, 11 times 2 is 22. Times 3 times 3, 3 times 3 is 9, 11 times 3 is 33. And then we'll go 5 and 5. 3 times 5 is 15, 11 times 5 is 55. Decimal. Same thing, and same thing.